Hello, this is Russell with Zenrent Property Management, and today we're here at a listing at 11108 East Sheridan. This is in East Mesa near the new 202 freeway. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath property, a little over 1,700 square feet, and you got to come take a look. Come check it out. Well, this concludes the tour of our Sheridan property. We hope you enjoyed it. For more information, visit us online at zenrentpm.com. There you can schedule a tour, apply, or get more information. Also, you can give us a call at 855-ZENRENT, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.